I'm not Mr. Brown. I'm not Mr. Brown. I'm JL.
You're JL.
Yes. Do you know Article 15, Declaration of Rights of Indigenous People?
Sir, open the door.
Or Article 15, Declaration of Human Rights?
Open the door, let me talk to you. I'm with the U.S. Marshals office.
I understand. I'm talking to you right now, though.
Open the door, let me talk to you.
Sir, my children right here, I can talk to you just fine.
I'm asking you to open the door so I can talk to you.
And I'm letting you know right now. We're going to speak about international law. Is that correct?
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
What in the doohickey are you talking about, Mr. Brown? Why would they be coming to talk to you about international law? You're not an international. You were born in America. You are an American citizen. You are not a national. So why would they be coming to talk to you about international law?
Open it. I'm going to break the door down if you don't open it. I have a warrant here for your arrest.
Is that
Open the door.
is that signed off by an Article 3 judge? Is that signed off by an Article 3 judge? Is that signed off by an Article 3 judge? Sir, is that signed off by an Article 3 judge? So it's not. So it's not signed off by an Article 3 judge. So it's not a real warrant.
You are delusional. You have a serious issue.
So you don't have a real warrant.
Mr. Brown, I can assure you that it is a real warrant that they have. I don't know what in the doohickey you're talking about an Article 3 judge and an Article 3 warrant. Get out of La La Land. They're coming to lock your behind up.
So you don't have a real warrant. You broke my door?
I'm guessing that's a rhetorical question he just asked.
Here. Recording. Just keep it recording. No fear. You like that door?
Yeah, you better make sure all your doors are locked because they are coming to get you behind.
You see the flag? Flag.
Open the door!
Cameron, I'm talking to you, please.
Open the door!
Please calm down. I'm speaking to you civilly.
Open the door! We're gonna open.
Do you have an Article 3 warrant?
Open the door.
So you don't have a real warrant?
Mr. Brown, stop being a coward. Put the baby down. You picking up that baby is not going to stop them from arresting you behind.
You depriving me of my rights of color of law. You depriving my rights underneath color of law. You depriving me of my rights of color of law. You don't have a real warrant.
This guy is fucking stupid!
Article 15, Universal Declaration of Human Rights. Everyone has a right to a nationality. Everyone has a right to a nationality.
Yahoo! I'm cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs!
Mr. Brown, what in the doohickey does your nationality have to do anything? And how does them coming with a warrant to arrest you have anything to do with them depriving you of your nationality? Why is it that you think a nationality is supposed to get you out of trouble? Your nationality is American. You were born in the United States. They know that. They know that. Doesn't matter. Your nationality is not going to save you. Your nationality is not Moorish American. You are an American. That is your nationality, and they are coming to lock your behind up.
Go to the front door first because you got kids that are back here.
Everyone has the right to a nationality. No one shall be arbitrarily deprived of their nationality, nor the right to change their nationality. Article 15.
Sir, you sound like a madman. Whatever it is that they're coming for you for has nothing to do with any nationality. They are not depriving you of your nationality. What in the doohickey are you talking about?
Article 15.
children, we need to call DCS.
I'm watching my children.
Do you have anyone else to watch your kids?
His wife is right here.
I'm watching my children. You're making entrances to my house. Article 15, Declaration of Human
Take your
Rights.
child, man.
No one shall be arbitrarily deprived of their nationality, nor the right to change their nationality.
Take your child.
Hey! No one shall be arbitrarily give her to my wife. Give him to my wife. I'm not resisting and I do not consent.
Sir, it is quite obvious that you do not consent. Put the god-darned baby down and stop talking this nationality crap. Your nationality is not going to save you. Nobody has arbitrarily deprived you of your nationality. That has nothing to do with whatever charges these men have against you.
But no one shall be arbitrarily deprived of their nationality. Keep recording. You do this in front of my son. I'm being kidnapped. No one shall be arbitrarily deprived of their nationality.
Come here.
You force entrance into my home.
We're leaving.
You form entrance into my home. No one shall be arbitrarily deprived of their nationality. Color of law.
It is an absolute shame that that little baby just had to witness that. This is a prime example of why some people shouldn't procreate. This was just a nightmare.
Now comes the part where we throw our heads back and laugh. Ready? Ready!
Let's